All right, I'm here on 615 Woodman Drive doing a shingle replacement on this one here, being it's hit by hail. I'm gonna go try and replace it without doing any other damage to all the other shingles not described in the repair. I'm trying to get under here. I'm gonna have to remove this one and then the nails from the top to get to that one. I'm being careful not to damage the ones not described in the repair. Let's see. There's one there. I'm lifting them up just slightly enough just to be able to reach the nail underneath, not to crease them in any way. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. All right, so I got that rolled. Now I need to get underneath the top ones to get the nails out. All right. I'm only lifting them up about 15 degrees to try to get them out. Try not to damage the ones that are not described in the repair. Now, if you can see, this one already tore through the shingle. I'm just lifting them just high enough to be able to get the nails out. Obviously, oh, there's some more. Oh, there's another one. Looks like there might be another nail here. There it is. I already pull this one out. It's fine. All right, so I need to make sure, I need to try to lift up just enough to get the nail out. There's already delamination on the top shingles. Trying to be as careful as possible not to damage the shingles that are not described in the repair. As you can see, as I'm lifting, they're already delaminating on the top layers. I'm only lifting about 10-15 degrees and they're all delaminating. So it's obvious that these shingles are unrepairable. Which is going to cause more of a problem long term for the homeowner. I'm trying to be as careful as I can. Not to damage the ones that are not described in the repair. There it is. As you can see, just repairing that one, you can already see the breakdown of the top layer, and it's delaminating just by lifting them 10 to 15 degrees. You can see from the video, side video. So as far as these are repairable, it's going to be impossible to cause minimal damage to the surrounding shingles.